Please click the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to never miss any updates on my channel Shweta's Beauty Vanity. So hi guys, this is me with my dark circles. Now let's see how to hide it with the help of makeup properly. So very first step for this technique is to moisturize your under eye area. It's very important step because it helps to hold the concealer for the longer period of time and make the application smooth. And as a product, I'm going to grab my Pie cream. This is my Holy Grail product. Each and every day I use this product. It helps to hydrate my under eye area and it has some soothing effect in it, which is very great for my tired under eye. To apply this product, I use my ring finger and gently massage the cream over there, and after applying the product I let the product good 4 to 5 minutes to absorb into the skin properly. So in the next step, I'm gonna color correct my dark circles, and this is the most important step of the whole procedure. And here I'm going to share two different products with you guys. Actually, I'm going to use two different color corrector in my eyes. So first, let's talk about Nyx Color Corrector. This is my favorite color corrector because it doubled as concealer, and the undertone of this concealer is peach, which is appropriate for my kind of dark circles. The undertone of a dark circle is blue, sometimes it's purple. It depends on the pigmentation of your dark circles. Now if we notice the color wheel process in our makeup technique, the opposite color of the blue and purple is orange and peach. So to hide the dark circles, the color corrector should be orange and peach in color. As I said earlier, I am also going to use the illegal color corrector under my eye. Now whenever I use the illegal orange color corrector, I like to mix the yellow color corrector with it in 1:1 ratio, or else I love to use it afterwards, the yellow color corrector, because on its own the orange color corrector makes my face and makeup orangey sometimes. So I think this is the best way to use this orange color corrector for my girl. Now I'm gonna apply the color correct. First I'm applying the NYX Color Corrector under my left eye. Whenever you are working under eye area and apply the product with your finger, try to use ring finger because it's the weakest finger, therefore it gives the most gentle touch under the eye. You can see the product already gave me a natural pretty good coverage because of its peach undertone, and you can definitely build up the coverage with this product. And in the same way, under my right eye, I am using the illegal color corrector, which is a mix of orange and yellow corrector. And after applying both the products, I'll be giving it for 3 to 5 minutes to let it set properly. Then we'll continue the next procedure. Now in the next step, you should apply your foundation. Now you can use any kind of foundation of your choice. I'm applying my L'Oreal Infallible foundation and I'm in the shade 200. The shade looks little lighter than my skin tone, but at the end when everything will put together, like my contour, blush, highlighter, everything, the tone will be adjusted and it will be perfectly alright. So after applying the foundation, as always, I'm going to blend the product with my wet beauty sponge. Now I'm going to conceal my under eye. Here I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and my shade number is 20. It is one tone lighter than my skin tone. When I use concealer to conceal any problematic area on my face, I like to use a shade which is 1 or maximum 2 tone lighter than my skin tone. And after applying the product, I'm gonna blend it with the same beauty sponge. Now to set the interface along with the under eye concealed area, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Press powder all over my face with the buffing brush. Now for some extra coverage, I'm gonna apply the loose finishing powder from Maybelline, and I'm gonna apply this powder under my eye area and I'm gonna leave it like so for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, I'm going to dust up the excess powder. It's called baking process. By this process, you can highlight your under eye. It's an optional step, but definitely it ooms up your makeup look if you're going for any special high coverage, full coverage makeup. So guys, this is my final look. Both the corrector gave me pretty much same coverage. You can use either of one, and you can see difference between without makeup and after with makeup clipping. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you like the video guys, please give me a big thumbs up, share this video with every makeup lover out there, and lastly please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be with me forever. I'll be back here soon with another exciting videos next week. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.